How to write and publish your first blog post in 10 steps. Bluehost. Bluehost blog. How to write and publish your first blog post in 10 steps. I write and create content for Bluehost. I hope this blog post is helpful. Are you looking at creating a blog website or an online store? Bluehost has something for everyone. Get started today. Write and publish your first blog hosting. Will you have done it? You have made your own blog custom fit with a domain and personalized layout, and now that your site is ready to get, it's time to start populating it with content. Whether you want to share ideas, make money, promote a brand, or post SEO, blogging is a proven way to do it by increasing site traffic and improving conversion rates. But what stare at that? Blinking courses, cursor, wondering how to get started. Follow this blogging guide and learn the 10 essential steps for putting pen to paper or fingers to keywords. To write and publish your first blog post, whether you have got 20 minutes or 2 hours. How to write and publish your first blog post. Number one, generate ideas. Coming up with writing ideas is often the most difficult part of blogging, so it's crucial to crave thinking. To get started, consider your goals, neatly your target audience, and what you want to offer readers and customers. Begin by jotting down the types of stories your readers might be interested. Concerns, where do they live, what topics might offer them value. For example, Whost blog and team targets small business owners who want to learn more about building and using a WordPress website to promote their product or service.